How to change music cover on Instagram story. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. So let's begin. First, open Spotify, select the music you want, then tap on the share button. From all these options, tap on Instagram stories, then tap on the sticker icon, then select photo, select any photo you want, then fit it, change the shape and fit it to the cover of your song cover. So that's how you do it. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you got any questions, hit them down in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next one.